Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the organizational structure of ICAO. Now, why this is important? It is important because it comes in your exams. It comes in your DGC exams. So I'll put a chart which I found online, and I also confirmed it with the ICAO website. So just in case if you want to know more about ICAO, which is International Civil Aviation Organization, you should go to their website. There's a lot of information given, but from your exam standpoint of view, what I'm going to cover is kind of enough for it. So starting with a review, there are 193 members, and now we will there are 7 regions that they serve, and if you go into the last video, you will kind of understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. So let's go into the organizational structure. So top of the line, like you can see on the chart which I've provided, is the assembly. So assembly is the highest body, and it meets once in 3 years, not less than once in 3 years, right? So that's the assembly, and you should remember this. They meet once in 3 years. Okay, so they have to meet once in 3 years, and all the contracting states, which means 193 members or 193 countries that are members of ICAO, are they all can give one vote, right? So why do they vote? Let's say there is an issue that is pending, so everyone can vote on the issue and a decision can be taken, right? Now just below the assembly there is a council, right? And there are 36 contracting states. So out of 193 members, there are 36 members or 36 countries that is elected by the assembly, right? Now the president of the council, which means the president would be either a representative of the country, or maybe a politician from the country, etc., right? So the president of the council is elected by the council itself, right? So 36 contracting states would vote, and the president of the council would be elected. So assembly 193 members, then just below it is the council, which has 36 members, and 36 out of the 36 members, these 36 states or these 36 countries basically elects their president, right? Now below the council, there are commissions and committees, and also there's a secretariat, right? Now we'll talk about the commissions and committees, and there are between 9 to 15 members when it comes to commissions and committees, right? So the first would be Air Navigation Commission, which is 19 members, which is appointed by the council. Then there's Air Transport Committee, appointed by the council. There's a legal committee. Again, there's a committee on joint support of air navigation services, in which there should be not more than 11 members and not less than 9 members, and this is also appointed by the council. Finance committee, in which not more than 13 members and not less than 9 members, again appointed by the council. Committee on unlawful interference, 15 members appointed by the council, right? So there's we'll do a quick review again. Air Navigation Commission, right? It has 19 members, and it's all appointed by the council. So again, assembly, council. Below the council, commission and committees, out of in which there are 9 to 15 members. Air Navigation Commission, which has 19 members appointed by the council. Air Transport Committee, again appointed by the council. Legal Committee, Committee on Joint Support of Air Navigation Services. It has not more than 11 members but not less than 9 members. Finance Committee, not more than 13 members but not less than 9 members, appointed by the council again. Committee on Unlawful Interference, 15 members appointed by the council. Now under the council, now we already covered commissions and committees. Now under the council there is also the secretariat, The Secretary General, which is the head of the Secretariat, is again appointed by the Council, and they have Air Navigation Bureau, Air Transport Bureau, Technical Assistance Bureau, Legal Bureau, and Bureau of Administration and Services. So now, when you look into the website, you'll see more members and committees and all these things. But what I just covered is like what you should basically know for the exam point of view. All right. I will try to put a chart, or I'll try to explain it in further in another video, which wouldn't be very exam oriented, but this is the gist of the thing. And if you I've also, when I was explaining this video, I've also referred to the air regulations book by R.K. Bali, and even that will cover this more or less. So I've referred to that. I've referred to the DGCA website a bit. I've referred to the ICAO website a bit to get you this information. Hope it helps. Happy landings. Cheers.